in terms of Palestinian resistance, there's many factions, and you have advocated multiple times for Palestinian unity. Do you think at this stage, with how things are in Gaza and in the West Bank, do you think unity is still possible?
I think it's important to say that the public, the Palestinian people, are united. It's not the problem of the people. The people are unified. They're united. They're all with Gaza. They're all with our right of resistance. They are all against, I think the vast majority now, in difference from what it was in 1993, are against Oslo Agreement and what it led to. The problem is at the level of the factions, not because of the people. But even there, we managed to get everybody to Beijing, and we signed an agreement that I personally drafted. And all the factions agreed on it, including Fatah and Hamas and others. And it says that there should be a national consensus government, and that should prepare for free democratic elections. It's a realistic plan. But unfortunately, up to now, the Palestinian Authority does not want to implement it. Although their representative signed it. So I think there is a political crisis at the level of certain political groups because of the continuation of the division. But I don't think the Palestinian people will accept to stay waiting for the factions to agree. Because as I told you, the public is unified. And those who continue to insist on division will be surpassed.
Some onlookers from the West and elsewhere look at Palestinians in the West Bank and they think maybe, why don't they strike? 1987, that's how the first Intifada became so successful, is through non-violent civil disobedience, such as striking. Why don't the Palestinians in the West Bank go ahead and do that?
They're trying, but you have to understand that West Bank has been in a status of new Intifada since 2015. And it went on till 2021, of course, to 2021 when it flared up in Jerusalem, as you remember. And then it continued. When the military confrontation happened with Gaza, of course, the rules changed. I mean, you cannot really run something that I always organized and participated in, which are popular resistance. You can't demonstrate. They will shoot you immediately. The parameters have changed. And the public is with resistance, for sure. And there is a lot of steadfastness and heroic resistance to what the Israeli settlers are doing in so many communities. In a way, the popular mass resistance is being reborn now gradually. Just recently, I was in Sinjar, which was attacked by the Israeli illegal settlers. And I saw how the people of Sinjar have organized themselves so well without the need of any direction from anybody. And they have now local popular committees, local popular defense committees. Of course, they don't have guns like the settlers do, but by being organized, they're becoming a power. And they have excellent division of labor. The same happens in Beta, the same happens in Masafir Yatta, the same is happening everywhere. So in my opinion, the West Bank is going now through a major transformation where you will see in the coming period a great rise of the popular resistance in the same tradition of the first Intifada.